Okay, it's IELTS Speaking Part 2, and your topic is describe someone you know who made a good decision recently. So, over to you.
I know many people who decided to who decide a good decision. Uh, One of them, my friend, his name is Gulfan, is my best friend. 2 years ago, he decided to go abroad for further study. Uh, Finally, uh, he went abroad and they got admissions and uh, to get to continue study and uh, as well as part-time jobs as compared to other their state here. They are searching uh, job uh, and he spent a good life there and earn a well income. I think his decision was good.
All right, 1 minute 16 seconds. Main thing is your answer. So you need to work on that and you need to speak clearly. Then, next thing is grammar. Your sentence structure is very weak. So you need to learn basic tenses like present simple, past simple, future simple, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. After that, the organization of your answer is very important. For speaking part 2, I advise you to write down some notes and then speak according to the notes. Another issue is clarity. Because of weak grammar, it is hard to understand what you are saying, and you're using very limited vocabulary as well. So you need to improve your grammar, improve your vocabulary. At the same time, you need to practice these topics as well. So at present, I will rate you at 4.5, but with a little extra effort you may get 5. But in order to get 6 or 7, you need to work on your English. Okay, thank you.